Okay, so we're going to read this book together and then you're going to read it independently. The title of the book is called I Love Basketball. This is my shirt. Here are my shorts. This is my number. Here are my shoes. This is my pump. Here is my ball. This is my hoop. This is my ball in the hoop. This is my jump. Here is my court. This is my trophy. And then here are our power words. Are, here, in, is, my, the, this. All right, now it's your turn to read the book. Miss Esther will turn the page and you will read it in your head. Awesome, scholars. Great job. Now you're going to complete the Nearpod below, and then when you finish the Nearpod, you can work on your Lexia.